Daddy, we are going to a cruise ship. Now I'm so excited to go. We have Father, Daddy, and me and Mommy. So I see you later. Bye.
Are you guys ready? Ready? Emma, you ready? We are going to
Cruise ship.
It's not just a cruise ship, it's a Disney.
Cruise ship.
Yay.
It's a Disney cruise ship. Is it?
So, Soraya, ready?
Yay.
Here we go. Oh my God!
Iman.
Guys, kita macam excited sangat. Sekejap lagi baru we take deep breath later, okay? Kita nak record sikit-sikit dulu. Oh my God! Oh my God! Kita orang dekat Singapura dan cucak. Kita orang atas cruise, guys. Sebab kita orang dekat Disneyland Cruise. So, kalau Suraya dah terang dah tadi, kalau untuk saya tak faham, aku terangkan lebih detail dah tadi. So, sekarang kita nak jalan-jalan dalam boat ni nak tengok apa yang ada. Yeah!
Ready to have lots of fun? Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a magical cruise.
Thank you. Hello. Wow. This Rapunzel song.
No,
No, what's that?
that's Anna's.
Oh, Anna song. Kakak, look at that. Oh my God, Daddy.
I found
Kita dah sampai. See, we wear matching. Alah, kacau lah kami. We wear matching. Alah, kacau lah. Iman. You know yang move. Guys, so ini adalah bilik kita untuk 4 hari. Dan kita tak gerak lagi. Lagi kakak?
Yes.
So later we're gonna go up and tengok the fun part outdoor. And then Suraya said want to go shopping. The first day already go shopping, what?
We're the first day shopping.
Baru sampai dah shopping dah. Mami as usual nak cari makan. Let's go find
Hujan.
food. Yeah, I know. Baru je sampai dah kena buat training kalau apa-apa jadi dekat cruise ni. Terbakar ke apa ke. So kena berkumpul dekat cater room ni semua. Ni aku tunjuk korang.
We also ask that you do double check your key card to ensure that you're in the right assembly station.
Suraya macam lost dia macam apa kita buat kat sini, apa dah nak tengok show ke.
Ada orang banyak marah pasal kedai semua tak buka lagi. Dia tak dapat masuk kedai. So dia jeling. Itu yang budak baru bangun. Bangun nak berjalan dah.
Guys, kita baru lepas habis tengok show. It was fun.
Oh.
Okay guys, so lepas ni kita nak pergi makan. Oh, Suraya nak pergi to the shop. Let's see what we can buy. Bye-bye. So, dorang ni semua nampak orang tengah beratur ni. Sebab nak masuk kedai depan muka ni. So, semua orang macam tengah beratur dan menantikan pintu dibuka. Aku tak tahu apa yang Suraya nak. Tapi macam-macam dekat dalam tu, mi aku. So, ini adalah antara... Ini adalah... Mega Black Pool tu geram pula. Itulah aku tak tahu apa Suraya nak. Sebab bila dia minat Disney punya benda pun aku tak tahu. Ataupun dia cuma minat shopping. Ke kakak nak buy one today dan tomorrow one? Ha, nak? Tak nak? You promise? Promise? Okay, go find. Oh, jaga. Ni bagi adik habis. Dia bantai je semua orang. Kakak! It's so beautiful! Wah, tak dapat. Okay, let's go. Wah. Oh, kakak so pretty-nya. Kakak kasih careful kakak Ren. Wah. Cantiknya. Sinilah saya nak ya. Bilik pandang-pandang sini. So kalau ada show ke apa, kita tak payah ni. Wah, bestnya.
I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Baymax and I were inspired by the promise of the better tomorrow and being healthy. So we decided to create this. Want to give it a try, everyone?
Yeah.
Ready? Super! Come on, let's be louder than that. Ready? Super! Yeah! Left, wasabi. Right, wasabi. Left, wasabi. Right, wasabi. Left, wasabi. Big time, everyone. Go. Right, left. Go. Left, right. Wasabi.
Hello everybody. We're going for a dinner. Everybody. Yeah. Iman want to say something to you guys? Yeah. Iman want to say something. Yeah. Yeah. Kakak.
Sorry, sit with daddy here.
Cik, yuk kita orang nak dinner. Bye. Wow. Oh, guys, look at that. TV so murah. Wow.
One by one. Hey, all guys.
You busy drawing je. Okay guys, aku tak tahu sini makan dia order ke apa. Aku pun macam biasa, Mirul tertinggal bag. Kat Milan dia tertinggal kat lantai. Kat sini dia tertinggal dalam bilik. Nasib baik. So dia pergi ambil bag, aku tengah tunggu dia untuk kita orang nak start makan. Anyways, tadi dah best. Kita tengok show best gila. Aku nak kita orang nak dinner pula. Sebenarnya rabak gila ni, tapi tak nak kena makan. Perut still must eat, right? So jadi kita order makan, aku tunjuk kau malam. Kalau aku ingat aku tunjuk. Buat pertama kalinya saya sempat rekod makan nasi ayam dan apau dan Iman nasi ayam. Sekian, terima kasih. Yeay. What's yours, kakak? That's yours. Kakak. Oi. Kakak. Dia yang right. Ada Mami Wan. Dia Mami Wan kakak. Dia tang come out. Dia Mami Wan. Kakak, yes. That is yes. Ain, Mami ni. Dia kakak. Soraya. Dia Mami ni also lah left. It's Ain. Wow.
What decoration is this?
Mickey Mouse.
King.
Lion King. This one princess.
Oh, yo, yo.
Ush, 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 ush.
Wah, 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 wah.
Ush, ush.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey.
This one lot of Donald Duck lah.
And this is princess.
Wow.
This is Zootopia. And this is
Yeah, wait.
Panda.
Panda.
This is princess.
Princess. Oh, Rapunzel.
And this one, princess. Princess. And this one, Lilo and Stitch.
This one Lilo and Stitch.
Zootopia.
Zootopia.
And this one, princess.
Princess.
Shaziman.
This boy wear your shoes, Shaziman?
No
Boy.
slipper.
Wear your shoes.
Boy, no slipper. Kakak favorite dia shoe.
So, this one.
This one,
Kalau Min, Aka.
Princess birthday. Star princess. Princess star. And this one is birthday. Mickey Mouse.
Koloknya.
Wants to eat inside out.
The next morning.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's the birthday girl day. It's Saraya birthday. So the first thing we're gonna do today
It's breakfast.
di tingkat atas dia, depan tu ada pool. Dekat ujung tu terletaknya pool, tak salah aku. So aku dah dapat slide. So ni ada tempat-tempat makan macam-macam lagi. Sebab sekarang kita nak cari tempat untuk makan. And actually this boy is sleepy already. Dia dah mengantuk. So kita cari tempat makan, okay? Kakak nak makan apa? Okay guys, dekat sini diorang ada unlimited ice cream. Nam nam nam. Nam nam nam. Nam nam nam. Bye. Sini guys banyak gila. Sini banyak gila aktiviti. Kau macam duduk sini, kau tak nak fikir macam boring ni nak buat apa. Semua masa kau memang terluang aktiviti je guys. Banyak gila. Nam nam nam. Ice cream free, makanan free, apa lagi nak?
Oh my plushie.
Plushie at where? Duffy and Friends shop.
Duffy and Friends shop.
Yes. This one the Duffy friend.
Yes.
Very busy boy.
This is Duffy AF friend.
Oh, seronok dia. Okay. Iman, come, run. Ha? Ya Allah, nak try.
Nak try. Member nak try.
Try ya, you buat try ha.
Member mana? Try. Jom pergi balik.
Ya Allah. Where are we? Kakak. Here. Where are you? What I told you, you have to walk close to Daddy, right? Listen, okay, I tell you the name, okay?
I want this pink color.
Yes, kakak. You want this one? Nah, this one Duffy lah.
Duffy.
Yeah.
Mami nak buat dia teddy bear ni lah. Waktu yang ditunggu-tunggu dan dinanti-nanti oleh Soraya.
Princess.
You going to? Oh, nak jadi princess kat sini dia ingat free. Kena bayar mahal, mampus tau nak jadi princess. So, this is the boutique, BBD, Babidi boutique. Soraya macam boleh pilih baju apa semua pun. Sebab macam ada baju, ada everything tu semua. Dah. Semua ada. Kenapa tan kecil kepada Abah, kepada Pakcik Idros, kenapa tan kecil? Yang tak ada benda-benda ni apa? Kenapa baru sekarang tapi dah terlambat? Orang tak terima dah orang tua macam aku yang 35 tahun. But it's okay. Soraya dapat. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. Yay! Birthday girl. What is your wish for birthday? Today is today.
Present.
Huh?
You have a lot of present dah.
To get ready and become a princess.
I'm gonna put a little surprise in the back. You see pixie dust?
Pixie dust.
This comes all the way from Neverland, okay? Tinkerbell. It's a little bit of stardust and pixie dust. No, no flying.
No fly, no fly.
Don't try to jump from the bed. It's bibbidi bobbidi ouch. Okay, good job, good job. Keep it close one more time. If I hear any snoring, you might be waking up some dragons, okay? Is there anyone that snores in your room?
Who snores?
Even with her eyes closed, she knew.
Yeah, she knew.
So maybe he's a dragon.
The dragon. Akhirnya Soraya dah ditransform menjadi princess. Okay, yeah. Wah, okay kakak say BBD, babidi, poof to the camera. Habis Kat terjatuh pula dalam tu. Tak boleh keluar pula Kat. Apa cerita bro? Apa cerita? Aduh. Apa cerita Iman?
And I hear they have shawarma on this vessel.
Wait, they have shawarma?
Yes, perhaps we should grab some for takeaway.
And you are quite finished.
Oh yes, this ends here and now, Loki.
There's no version of this one. And you're probably right. Which
catastrophic.
not if we direct the power into a portal created by Doctor Strange.
Gotcha. You enjoy so far? Oi, 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 oi. Cik adik, oi, oi.
pegang.
Saya pegang adik ni. Kakak, come here. Kakak.
Lagi dari kakak.
Habis. Wait. Sabar. Jangan menyerah kalah. Jangan menyerah kalah, okay?
The next day.
Amin, Suraya, Shaziman. Iman, hai.
Finish before dia, yang kita orang datang, tapi tak sempat mandi. Akhirnya kita dapat juga mandi, tapi sekarang ada 10 minit break. So kita tengah lepaskan diri, dan kita masuk di ibu besar. Oh!
Okay, sini.
Bayang.
2 hours later.
Ya. Mana Suraya ni? Dia banyak budak ni, aku tak tahu dah mana satu Suraya. Ni Suraya. Guys, malam terakhir di cruise ini. Suraya kata dia tak nak balik, guys. Suraya kata dia tak nak balik, tapi malangnya wow, kita orang kena balik. Ni aku tunjuk korang view. Kita datang lagi. Okay, maybe cruise punya vacation, this is the first time aku experience cruise punya vacation. Apa yang aku boleh cakap, aku suka kalau ada cruise lain lagi. Kan sebenarnya ada banyak lagi cruise, cuma aku yang tak pernah naik cruise kan. So kalau ada cruise lain lagi, mungkin aku boleh pergi lagi lah. Dan kali ni aku nak bawa family aku, parents aku. Sebab parents aku tak pernah ada vacation cruise kan. So mungkin bawa parents aku. Tapi cruise kalau kecil-kecil tak best kot. Dia kena besar macam Disney cruise ni baru best. Dia macam ada semua benda. Tapi satu benda je tak sempat kat sini. Aku tak sempat main dia punya theme park kat atas tu. Macam roller coaster tu semua. Okay guys, aku nak rekod diorang main je. Okay, dance first. Dance lah Guys, this is our last dinner. Cruise.
Iman. You see Mickey Mouse? Hey. Yay, you are Daisy. Yeah.
Tengok semua sibuk makan. Okay guys, ada cerita ni. Ni budak depan ni. Dia ni nak minta nasi untuk nasi ayam. Dia pergi cakap kat waiter, excuse me, can I have the rice for the chicken rice shop? Chicken rice shop. Aduh, apa ni? Miro, malulah. Tak, tengok saya kalau minta, excuse me, can I have like extra rice for the chicken rice? Yeah, like that. No, like extra rice for the chicken rice shop. They carry that.
Yes.
So kakak, macam mana nak cuti cruise lagi tak? You like it here? Nak datang lagi? Yes. We next year, okay?
Okay.
Next year. So we are going here again, okay kakak?
Okay.
Memang
Looking at people.
ha?
Ada timbuli juga.
Hi.
Oh, dia tolak kakak dia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Suraya. Happy birthday. Budak ni, guys. Budak ni tadi nak tidur nangis-nangis. Lepas tadi. Lepas cukup dah. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Itu suara YouTube saya. Okay, sadly to say, aku tunjuk sikit, okay. Dah sampai dekat port. Kita punya kapal dah landing di sini. What? Kita punya kapal dah berlabuh. Begitu. So, bila dah berlabuh tu maksudnya dah habislah vacation tu. Next, tak tahu lagi nak pergi mana. Tengah nak fikir-fikir. Malam dah tanya dulu, next kita nak pergi mana? Belum berlabuh di Singapura, dah fikir nak pergi mana. Siapa pun, thank you so much for watching. Aku tak boleh buat closing dengan budak tu sebab diorang masih tidur. Sekarang baru 7.30. Kalau aku nak cakap semua tu, okay, macam ni. Untuk siapa yang nak bercuti dekat Disney Cruise, sukakan aktiviti-aktiviti yang macam tak keluar hotel. Ada setengah orang aku suka bercuti macam tu, suka lepak kat hotel, pentai kat hotel, swimming lah, apalah semua. Aku rasa percutian Disney Cruise ni untuk korang. So boleh lah ramai-ramai satu family datang sini. Harga bilik kita orang ni RM13,000. RM13,000 tu tak termasuk. Semua masuk, makan-makan semua kat sini masuk. Kalau kau nak beli hadiah ke, souvenir ke, keychain ke, teddy bear ke, nak main game ke, tu semua harga lain. Siapa yang nak bercuti kat Disney Cruise ni, mungkin boleh kumpul duit tu. Tapi yang bilik kita orang ambil ni sederhana. Kalau korang nak bilik lagi kecil, dia lagi murah. So kita ambil bilik RM13,000 buat kata Miro. Aku tak tahu harga berapa, Miro pun tak ingat. Ada lagi mahal, tak salah RM30,000 ke RM20,000 something. Itu besar sikit lah. Secara jujurnya ini bilik paling kecil kita orang bercuti. Tapi tak apa, bilik kecil-kecil pun tak apa. Sebab korang banyak buat aktiviti luar. Bilik tu macam korang masuk sekejap je. Aku masuk bilik ni macam kejap-kejap. Kalau Iman tertidur ke, Iman nak makan ke, breakfast sekejap ke, itu je. Semua aktiviti kat luar. So it's okay kalau korang ambil bilik yang tak berapa besar pun. Cik, nak lega hati. Okay lah guys. Ni Suraya. Why you make mommy scared? Good morning.
Good morning.
Then where are we dah? See? You ready?
We are in the airport.
Yeah, Singapore dah. We in Singapore already. I want to swim back to the middle of the ocean. I want to see mermaid. Okay guys, take care guys. Suraya dah bangun, means tiba masa menjadi seorang mami. Take care. Don't forget to click the like button. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye, Kishi.
Jadi say bye-bye cruise ship.
Bye-bye cruise ship.
Thank cry.
I'm gonna miss you.
Alah, dah pusing ah. Iman, say bye-bye cruise ship. Bye-bye. Bye. Iman. Bye. Wait, Iman. Bye.
Kemana you pergi? Kemana you hilang?
Kemana you pergi? Kemana you hilang? Aku check phone aku tadi, you tak reply siang. Mula tak sedar hati aku rasa tak tenang. Why you do this to me? Overthink mula datang.